This is Sayyid Kamran Ali Shah Bukhari. Today I will tell you about the meditation. This meditation procedure is very easy. You can do at your home, morning or evening time, or before going to bed. You can ample your time. First of all, sit comfortably on the floor. Let me tell you one thing, that why is the meditation is necessary in our life. We see there are a lot of problems and lots of problems we face in the daily life, and this busy daily life routine make us stressful, depressionful, and lots of anxiety, which cause the severe disease in our body. The meditation is the only way to get us out from this anxiety, depression, or stress. First of all, sit comfortably, straighten your backbone. As we any sports, we usually warm up for that sport. So just like that, before the meditation, you have to warm up. The warm up exercise is the breathing exercise, which stores more energy into your brain, because this is a meditation is the brain relaxant, mental peace, and create many energy, powerful energy, which is in your soul, in your body. So do the breathing exercise first. I tell you what is the procedure. First, close your nostril and take a deep breath till 5 seconds. Then hold the breath for next 5 seconds. Then close your that nostril 5 seconds, and the breath what you hold, let him that out from this nostril till 5 seconds. After you out the breath from that nostril, again take the deep breath from that nostril till 5 seconds. Then hold again the breath for till 5 seconds, and let the breath out from left nostril till 5 seconds. This is the one cycle. Take deep breath 5 seconds, hold breath 5 seconds, let the breath out 5 seconds, then again take breath 5 seconds, hold breath 5 seconds, and let the breath out till 5 seconds. This is the one cycle. You can do 3 or 5 cycles before the meditation. Then you just straighten your backbone and close your eyes and imagine that there is a blue light or green light, what you like for relax, coming from the heaven, just like a focus light, onto your head and storing in your mind that light, blue or green, and passing through your whole body, entire body, and coming out from your foods and absorbing in your surrounding grounds. You can do that meditation for 15 seconds in start, and gradually you can increase your time till 1 hour. You will see the most advantages and benefit of this meditation, that your life is more easier than before, and you can see and you will see that all problems, stress, depression, anxiety will vanish as soon as possible. You will see that. I hope you will like this video, and I know there are a lot of English mistakes in my language, because it's very difficult to understand and speak, but I can speak very little with mistakes. I hope you will apologize for me for that. Thank you. We will meet in next video.